Okay, today we're going to talk about how to use drawisland.com real quick. Before you start, you need to ensure that your browser ad block program, plugin, whatever, is disabled for the site. As you can see, yes, we know ads can be annoying, but we want to keep Draw Island free. So we got to suffer. Anyway, turn off your ads, click up here, go to pause on this site, gives you the little green thumbs up, and you hit refresh. And now there are lots of different options on here, like pencil, line, rectangle, circle, text, paint, eraser, so on and so forth. So if you wanted to draw a line with the pencil, a little freehand action, you do that, and then click delete. Ask if you want to delete all drawings, click OK if that's what you want to do. Put a circle in there, put a circle in there. Rectangle, that's more of an oval. The rectangle, you can also put in a text box. Okay, if you're going to be putting it in a black area, make sure you change the font. We'll go with a nice, lovely, bright color. And that's just a brief tutorial on how to use drawisland.com.